Hey, I'm Clay Allison, founder of Wicked Edge Precision Sharpeners. For the last 2 decades, I've devoted myself to crafting precision knife sharpeners that professionals all around the world trust. But I've realized that outdoor enthusiasts also need a solution, something that's lightweight and portable that they can carry with them into the backcountry. And it's got to be something robust that does not compromise on quality.
So the Venture series is our answer. With our patent-pending 20-degree knife guide, it keeps your knife at a perfect 20 degrees all the way across your stroke. That's really difficult to do freehand and is a huge advantage to our system. This system also comes with a 500 grit diamond stone, which is great for light reprofiling of your knife, bringing it back to life if it's really dull. Then we also have a ceramic hone on the other side. That's going to be great for bringing your knife to like razor sharp. Then on the back side we have a strop, and that strop will make your knife 20 to 25% sharper, which is really great. This whole unit only weighs 4 ounces, so you can easily toss it in your pack and you won't even know it's there.
Here at Wicked Edge, we believe in gear that lasts, and we want to make sure that you can use your knife time and time again. That's why the Venture series is made to extend the lifetime of your blade so that you don't have to throw it out every time. As well, being part of the land of enchantment, we believe wholeheartedly in reducing our waste. So all of our sharpeners are made with 100% recycled materials. We're excited to partner with REI to bring the Venture series to the outdoor community. Together, we can equip explorers with the tools they need to stay sharp no matter where the trail leads.